Just a little quick tip. This is one of my raised garden beds. You can see there's garlic in it, strawberries on the other end. It's eventually going to become a complete strawberry bed. But as I dump vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells out here, you can plainly see the bees are working it. Not a single one of them have anything in their pollen baskets, which obviously they wouldn't be getting anything pollen wise, but they do need a wide array of vitamins, minerals. Probably some of it has some amino acids in it that they need, but they work the living crap out of all this compost stuff. When spring gets here, obviously I'll turn that under so it completely rots, but all along while I'm pulling grass, or grass, but weeds are coming up. But that's just a quick tip. Bees need a wide variety of vitamins, minerals, micronutrients. I don't know, well, you can't really see it over there, but they are wearing the pollen feeder out. This is January the 29th. It's about 42 degrees, I think. 45 degrees, excuse me. You can see some of the carnicas, but most of them are the buckfast variety. And there's some more carnicas. Thanks for watching Willie Bees. Like, subscribe, and share.